Hey guys, well, this finally got done. I don't know, I seen it on Thingiverse, so I was like, that thing's kind of cool. Let's print it out and see what it looks like. Originally, it's supposed to be skinnier because these are supposed to be the eyes, but what I did is I blew it up. I made it bigger. That's why it looks a little off. But if you kept it skinny, then it would have looked a lot better. But anyways, I guess next time if I print this out, I'll make it skinny, but I'll make it longer. And then I've got like this little Hulk statue thingy printing out. But yeah, like I said, if I print this out, next time I print this out, I'll keep it skinny, but I'll print it this way, make it really long, but I'll keep it skinny so the head looks normal. Because right now it kind of looks like a frog. So, alrighty, you guys have a good one.